So AI like ChatGPT talk in a way that sound really smart and human. Why do you think that is?
It's exactly what it was designed to do. The way that these models work is that they started out with a large training data set. Companies like OpenAI, when they were training ChatGPT, started with millions and millions of records of human speech. And what the model did then was looked for associations between words that were common, looked for associations between phrases that were common. And the way that it's trained is that it tries to predict what words would follow other words, and it would get rewarded. So a process or an association would become more likely if it made a successful association, if it was successfully able to predict that next word, and it would be punished in a sense. It would loosen us an association, remove an association when it's unsuccessful at predicting what word might follow some other word. So essentially, you have a model that became better and better at starting at the beginning of a human sentence and then predicting the next words in that human sentence. And once you have a model that can do that, you can essentially have it start its own sentences as responses to prompts. And so it can basically create sentences that mimic the structure of what a human would say in response to a question. What that means is that this model is putting on the act of being human. It's not generating those sentences the way that we generate sentences. It's not looking at meaning and taking meaning and translating it into words. It's starting with word associations and then stringing those word associations together in order based on what the most likely next word is going to be. That's roughly how it works. Now, what you then have is a model that mimics humans very well. And when people hear or read text that sounds like it was written by a person, it's very easy for us to imagine the mind behind those words.